Hi, my name is Gary Kraftsow. In this class, yoga therapy for neck and shoulders, we'll explore through a PowerPoint lecture presentation the anatomy of the neck and shoulders from a skeletal, muscular, ligamentous, and tendinous perspective, and looking at how movement patterns, daily habitual movement patterns, create repetitive stress injury and are also causal factors in our discomfort. We'll explore the range of kinds of problems that can affect the shoulders and the neck. And then we'll explore the principles of yoga therapy for working with these problems, including things that are useful to do, but things that are contraindicated to do. And then we'll have a practice that will help you explore these tools. Remember, it's not a one-on-one therapy, but it's an exploration of the field of yoga therapy as it relates specifically to the neck and shoulders. This class will be useful for individuals who suffer from neck and shoulder problems, yoga teachers who want to understand what they can do to serve their clients who have neck and shoulder problems, what might be useful, but more importantly, what to avoid in their group classes. But it'll also be useful for yoga therapists who want to understand how to work more deeply with clients specifically suffering from neck and shoulder conditions.